Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Touch ID settings on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first you have to go to the system preferences, which is at the bottom of the screen. Click on this icon and then click on the Touch ID. So what is Touch ID? Touch ID lets you use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay, iTunes Store, App Store and Apple Books. So I'm sure that you have known this. So here you can see that 3 fingerprints are set in my on my MacBook, but with this X I can delete these fingerprints. So if you want to delete, you can do that in this way. And here you can see some settings regarding the Touch ID. So you can select to use Touch ID for unlocking your Mac, Apple Pay, iTunes Store, App Store and Apple Books, password autofill, and there is the use Touch ID sensor for fast user switching. So these are the Touch ID settings. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.